Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Open House. I'm your designer, Kelvin, from the local project. I'm the founder and a designer of the local project. This is a 48 years old ex-HUDC private apartments located at Marine Vista. I'm really excited about this project because I'm aiming to create an award-winning design. That's something I've been working towards for so long, and I think this project has the potential to be something truly special. My clients live in a quiet area, so I wanted to create a space that would be calming and relaxing for them. I also wanted to create a space that was both modern and traditional. So, I chose a modern Japanese-inspired design concept. I think of myself as a home detective. I start by asking the homeowners a lot of questions to get to know them and their lifestyles. What are their favorite things to do at home? How do they want to use their space? What's important to them in terms of functionality and comfort? I also pay attention to the details. I notice the way they interact with their space, and I look for clues about their needs and wants. Sustainability and energy efficiency were at the forefront of my mind when designing this space. I used a variety of recycled materials such as WPC fluted panels with Singapore Green Label and Formica laminates, etc. I also installed energy-saving water heaters and appliances. By taking these steps, I was able to create a home that is both sustainable and energy efficient. When designing this renovation, I wanted to be respectful of the existing architectural and design elements of the home. I kept most of the existing walls in place, with exception of the kitchen entrance wall. This wall was blocking the natural light from flowing into the kitchen, so I removed it to create a more open and airy space. I also chose materials and finishes that would complement the existing architecture. For example, I used the same type of flooring in the kitchen and living room to create a sense of continuity. I also selected cabinets and countertops that were similar in style to the existing finishes in the home. I love the solar luminaire lamps in this project, especially the gypsum boba. It is so unique and adds to a lot of depth to the ceiling line. The volley and ISA V3 lamps are also great and complements the gypsum boba perfectly. They all have a clean, modern design that's perfect for modern Japanese home design. I used shaker doors with pull-out drawers and casement swing doors on the kitchen bottom cabinets. This will create a seamless and streamlined look, making it difficult to tell which cabinets are drawers and which are doors. I think this is a unique and functional design intervention that will elevate the kitchen. One of the biggest challenges I faced was choosing the right color palettes for natural light. It was important to me to choose colors that would work well with the changing colors lights throughout the day. In the end, I decided to use a combination of light and neutral colors to create a calm and inviting atmosphere. One unique design element I incorporated is the hidden storage cabinet at the living room using fluted panels instead of a typical door panel. The fluted panels creates a beautiful and seamless look, and it also helps to create the illusion of having a higher ceiling. It is a great example of how to use design to create more functional and visually appealing space. I always keep functionality and comfort in mind, but also think aesthetics are important. A well-designed space is simply more enjoyable to be in. That's why I work with my clients to create a design that is both functional and visually appealing. The renovation took 4 weeks to design, 3 months to build. We worked with the homeowners to create a layout, select materials, and visualize the space in 3D. Then, we demolished the old space, installed a new systems, and finished everything up. We communicate regularly and were flexible throughout the process, and the homeowners are thrilled with their new space. The most challenging aspect of this project was stepping out of my comfort zone to do a new design concept. But I studied a lot and I am proud of the outcome. I think it's important to challenge myself and try new things, especially in a creative field like design. It's how I grow and create more interesting and innovative spaces.